far, so good. Now, good luck.
Well, listen, honey, I've got to go.
Was? Nein.
But, sweetheart, listen.
Captain Rodnoff?
Good evening, Lieutenant.
Cold enough for you tonight?
Yes, this winter doesn't seem to end.
Oh, it will.
Ich muss Sie mal sprechen, Herr Leutnant.
I guess they change engines here. If that's all they do, we're in business.
Have a good trip, Lieutenant.
Thank you, Captain. Oh, about that famous Russian efficiency. Where's my locomotive?
It should be along soon. It's a West German Crow from Frankfurt. They are not as efficient as we are.
You don't say.
My phone. Excuse me.
Right. See you in a couple days.
Kommen Sie mal schnell her! Los, los, beeilen Sie sich! Holen Sie fort Ihre Leute! Sie kommen mit mir!
Where is Lieutenant Novak? I must speak to him.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Lieutenant!
What is it, Captain?
May I see your manifest, Lieutenant?
But you've already approved it.
I know, but there is a question about its accuracy.
Have you ever found a mistake in a manifest of mine?
I never questioned one before, Lieutenant.
Then just what is it that you're after, Captain?
We have a report that there is a citizen of the German Democratic Republic aboard the train, and not on the manifest.
That's ridiculous.
I hope you are right. For me, this is nothing but a nuisance. But I must settle this charge, one way or the other.
You can dismiss it, Captain Rodnoff, as unfounded.
On what basis?
On the basis of the word of an American officer, as approved by a Russian officer.
Forget the manifest. Let me go aboard and make a small search, then it will be settled.
You want me to let you search my train?
But we're not allowed on this train. They can't touch him, can they?
Well, you know what the Russians are like. They might try anything.
We have known each other for some time. We have worked together cordially. Let's do this on a personal basis, unofficially.
I'm sorry, Captain Rodnoff. I must refuse. It's against all my instructions.
You put me in a difficult position. If I can't settle this personally, I'll have to act officially, according to our procedures.
Meaning what?
If there is any question about the train, I cannot permit its departure. I must withhold that locomotive.
Are you serious, Captain?
As serious as you, Lieutenant.
We'll see about that, sir. Come on, Sergeant.
Идем. Den Zug sofort abkuppeln. Der Zug bleibt hier.
Was ist denn los? Los, los, machen Sie schon!
Давай, давай, скорей!
And now they want to search the train, Colonel.
Lieutenant, was that train carefully checked before departure?
Yes, sir, before and after. I'm positive that there's no unauthorized person aboard.
In that case, proceed with emergency measures according to your standing orders. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Yes, sir. Over and out. Sergeant, round up all military personnel aboard and tell them that their orders are canceled. They're now on active duty under my command. Then break out the ordnance chests and arm them.
Right, Lieutenant.
And Sergeant, that order includes officers.
Yes, sir. All right, get over here. Move. Okay, you guys.
This is a restricted area, Mr. Cowan.
Lieutenant, how long are we going to sit around here?
There will be a slight delay, sir.
Lieutenant, do you believe there's a refugee on board?
Mr. Cowan, any information on that matter will be given you by the Public Relations Branch in Frankfurt tomorrow.
Why don't you come off the soldier boy bit? At the rate we're going, we won't get to Frankfurt tomorrow.
There's nothing I can do about that, sir. Excuse me.
All right, come on. Pardon me. All right, let's go.
Do you know what's happening, sir?
It's a military secret.
Mary Jane, go back to bed.
Oh, Mother, don't be a square.
I must ask all of you to get out of the corridor and into your rooms. This corridor must be kept clear and your doors must remain closed.
Now, wait a minute, Lieutenant. I'm not in the Army.
Get into your compartment, Mr. Cowan, or I'll have you placed under arrest and locked in.
Let's shape up, men. We ain't got all night.
Nurse, what's going on out there?
The Russians are saying that there is some sort of refugee on the train.
Uh-huh. They never let up, do they? If it's not the air corridors, it's the canals. If they can't block the roads, they try to cut off our trains.
Cut off all trains? Just because of one person?
It's not the object that counts for them. It's what they can do with it.